Hello YouTube, I'm back with another silver unboxing. This time I have a board silver, some board silver in this package. So let's get started and see if I can open it. And so here we go. Let's open it. And let me get my invoice out. Okay. So you have this empty bubble envelope. I need a package, but I'm just going to look if I'm sure there's no. Yes, okay. No, I was just checking if there was an invoice, but so far I know there wasn't an invoice at all. Okay, let me see. Let's get this thing out of it. Okay, that's out. Here we go. Okay, let's see. Wow. Wow. This bar is looking nice. So I have ordered a 1 ounce silver addict silver bar. Wow, nice, sealed, and it feels cold, very cold. So let's take a closer look. 1 ounce silver addict bar. 1 ounce bar number. So let's take a closer look. Here we go. Silver addict. Sealed. There we go. Let's show you here. It's also a pretty thick bar, actually. Focus. No, okay. Beautiful, beautiful looking bar. So I want to thank you for watching, and it's all for now. Later I will be back with some more silver. And I want to thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.